Hi everybody, welcome to Old Guy's Garage. Hey everybody, welcome back, good to see you. Today I'm going to be putting in a coolant reservoir in here. It's like an overflow tank. We're really close to getting the 72 turned over, and just to help keep it cool, we're going to be installing that today. So let's go over what we have. So went to Lowe's, I got some bolts, 1024 by 1.5 and 1024 by 5/8. This one's just in case I got to go through the fender. It's long enough to go through here and the spacer that came with the kit and into the fender. This overflow tank, it basically came with this cap for the radiator, this bracket, this bushing that's going to go here, and the container itself, and there's a little hose that it also came with. So anyhow, let's get started. I did print out a reference picture a while ago, so this is what I'm going to be using. Here's to the right up there in the corner, you can see the bolt in the bushing going into the frame or the fender, and then right there you can see the two bolts going into this guy, and then there's also two down low that go into the frame. So it looks like there's two holes right down there next to this. Whoops. There we go. And look at that, the holes line up pretty good. So we're going to drop some bolts through there and get this bracket in.
Okay.
Got a bracket here. That's going to go in there like that. So you can kind of see where I'm going.
Okay.
I'm going with things, so I'm going to find a socket. I'm hoping I can get up under right there. I think I can. So I'm going to hope that these drop down and then I can get up underneath there. Okay, so both of them are down. Just hold the bracket. I'm going to go thread these on from underneath. Okay. Just stay where you're at. I'm doing the one that's facing the...
Closer to the edge. I got you with the screwdriver.
Okay, there's one. Give me a second. Now I'm doing the one closest to the fender.
Okay, hold on just a minute.
I ain't getting it yet. Just...
Okay, I got it. Managed to get a screwdriver with a magnetic tip, and I'm just like...
That's the best.
Well, it was trying to pick it up and pull
Okay.
it out of the hole.
Okay, closest to the fender?
Yep.
Now it feels like it's slipping like okay, let's do the other one.
Okay, hold on, we get on it.
Later.
Alright, I'm on it.
Okay. Cool beans.
Nice.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
I think I can get it from here.
Nice having a wife that's mechanical.
Wife helped me here. We got the bracket in place, and I had her hold the screwdriver up here, and I used my socket wrench here with the 3/8, and we went under here and tightened these guys. Jeez Louise, I'm just not videotaping well. What? Right there. There we go. Tighten those guys down. Okay, got that guy in. Alright, we're going to put the coolant tank. Alrighty. Well, this ought to be fun. Not even sure. Didn't quite contemplate that. Might be able to screw this to the brackets. You know what? You can get your hand around here just barely. Maybe we screw this on to the bracket and drop it in. Well, let's see. Might be able to come up from the bottom here. Hey, I got one on. Cool beans. Man, I almost could have went with some longer bolts. Okay, well, I'm going to grab some pliers on that bolt. There we go. So we got one on. Let's go for the top. It's a little sharp in here, but the edges are somewhat broken. Get that up high enough. Alright. So I'm going to get a 3/8 wrench to help me tighten these. Alright, so got that on. Cool. We're eventually going to take this guy and cut him down and make him go right there. Okay, be right back. So I got my 1/4 inch socket and I got this guy, and then I got my 3/8. So let's see if this works. It's tightening up. Go down low. I can barely see. That's just how it goes, I guess. Yeah, if I had to do this over again, I would have attached this to the bracket. Yeah, it really needs that. Now I'm going to drill through this guy, line up that hole there. Alright, here we go. Adjust the camera. GoPro's been temperamental here. Anything and everything in my friggin' way. Just like a pretty close height there. Perfect. Okay, and let's give this a shot. Where is that bushing? Put that bushing in here. Catch that bolt. Alright, gotta go ahead and wind that guy in. I probably won't be lucky. That's probably not 3/8. Might be. Fairly tight there. That's not bad. Well, I think I'm going to, I don't think that is going to go over that, so. Oh, look, that already fell in there. Well, ain't that pretty. Jeez Louise. Come here. There we go. Well, I thought this was supposed to go on the bottom here. That's pretty loose. That just ain't enough to go this way. So I might have to put like a hose clamp on that. That's pretty funky. I'm going to leave that off for now. Okay. So got it in here. I'm going to work on getting these guys tightened in. That ended up working out. I'm not exactly centered on that, as you can see, but did the best I could given the circumstances. I guess I could have moved these back this way a little bit more. So just glad I got some additional cooling. Keep that radiator as full as possible. That way it's just not bleeding out if it gets too hot, you know, down there. Hopefully it doesn't get hot. So just trying to prep this one to keep this thing as cool as possible when we get the motor turned over fairly soon here, guys and girls. So I'm going to recut this, go to AutoZone, O'Reilly or whatever, see if I can get some more hoses so we can get a hose coming off of here that'll just drain on down. And then this other hose to go right there. So almost got it done. Okay, so getting close here to wrapping this guy up. Ordered some heater hose. For some reason, no matter where I go, they don't have anything that's the right ID. So this is thicker than I wanted, but I'm going to drape this down through there and just dry fit it, for lack of a better term, before I cut it. So got some hose clamps ready. I'm going to clamp everything on here, including this guy here. So without him, this is definitely not going to work. So, and then I ended up also buying another hose. This looks like the original stock one. It has the grooves on the side here. So might put that on eventually. For now, I got this guy on. Probably just going to leave that on. I might put this one on, but I think I need to install this with the hose relatively the same level, without much of a droop. So, well, let's go ahead and get this heater hose marked up and cut. Alright, so got the hose clamps on, connected. Got this guy cut, the drain hose, and as we go under here, there he is right there. So you can always move him this way if you wanted to. So that way you don't really see him. So, alright, well that about wraps this up. Alright, one final detail. This is the stock cap. I believe it's rated for a different pressure than this closed system cap. And that red line there, we're going to install this to where it is in alignment with the hose to the coolant tank. So we're going to go ahead and take the old one here off. Might have to put my phone down. Okay. And put this new one on. I will say this. I had to use these guys to get this on the radiator. So let me do that real quick. And there we go. So I used this to turn it, and as I was pressing down, there's really no way to grip. But do not open, closed system. Got it complete, boys and girls. One step closer to that infamous cruise night. So I put this on to help keep the motor cool if it needed, whether we're in traffic or just cruising around town on cruise night. So. Alright everybody, hope this tip helps you in your vehicle, your dream, your race car, your classic car. So thanks for tuning in, and just remember, whether it's a muscle car, classic car, race car, your dream car, let's keep them running, and I'll see you next time.